Hi, my name is Paul. I've been suffering from cluster headaches since I was around about 9 years old. I used to start getting about 3 headaches a day, which will last anything from an hour to up to 8 hours a day. So I didn't have a normal life. I used to have bad life as a kid. At school, I was 1 year, it was 62 days that I wasn't at school. I couldn't attend school. And it was difficult times. My parents didn't understand. I had a very understanding mom who used to come in the mornings 3-4 o'clock when I could not sleep. My head was bursting and all that. She used to come and put a vinegar cloth, like the old people used to do, put it on my face, on my head, forehead, and try to help me to calm the pain and all that. But didn't really help much. When I was about 18, still going with headaches, I started working, but I had to drop out of the work because I could not attend. The headaches was too bad. Because every day or second day I used to be in a sick bay. I used to put ice packs on my head. My head was swelling up badly, and yeah, that's one of the stories. I carried on like that. In my lifetime, I had about 3 operations on my nose where doctors they broke my nose and changed a bit and tried to relieve me from the pain. It never worked. Adenoids was removed at a young age. That wasn't also working. And then about 2 years ago, in 2010, I came to Dr. Sherwell at the headache clinic because of the cluster pains. And I mean, one of the doctors referred me. And I was desperate. I mean, by that time, I'll be honest, there was a few times where I was thinking about killing myself. I couldn't handle the headaches. It was getting so bad, actually. A few times I asked my wife to give me a gun and shot myself. That's how bad it was. I came to Dr. Sherwell, and it was astonishing. He was so patient with me, actually. You know, he was sitting here after hours. You know, when I get the headaches, he was telling me, come through, and I came through. The doctor had a look at me, and he was very patient, trying a few methods. We eventually, when we got to a certain stage, he did ask me to if he could give me look at another option. And the problem was starting this side. So it was, every time it was starting to trigger here, and it would go up and the whole head would swell up and it would be tremendous pain. And what he did is he actually took his finger and he actually put it inside my mouth and he closed this vein. And immediately I could feel it was like a little bit of a pressure relief. Not that much, but I could feel it. And he did ask me if I was prepared to go for operation, you know, for the cluster pains. And I did say yes. So in 2010, around about, I think it was the 16th of June, I went for the operation, came out. The same day I had a hell of a headache, but I mean, obviously after the operation now. But ever since then, nothing. I've never had a headache, nothing. It's brilliant. I've got a normal life. I can live, I can sleep. I sleep every night. Where I could, normally I used to wake up 1 o'clock at night. I knew it, 1 o'clock mornings, you know, during the day, 1 o'clock in the afternoon, 2 o'clock, I'm out till about 4 or 5. So yes, thanks to Dr. Sherwell and the headache clinic. They've been so patient, and I mean, he's a lifesaver. He really saved my life. And you know, there's so many people out there that doesn't even know about this, and I won't even recommend anybody else. This is just one brilliant doctor, and with the staff, they've done tremendous things for me, and I thank God every day for that.